Hey guys, Trader Worth the Risk here with the Crypto Collective. I just wanted to do another video for you guys. I don't know if you've seen my last one on the new sushi token. So if you haven't, check it out. It's going to explain to you a little bit about what it is, and there's a few new DeFi related tokens coming out at the moment. And so basically, I have one here. It's called Pearl Finance, and it's staking just like sushi, but it's a bit cheaper because it's on the TRX blockchain. So you can actually stake your coins by and only pay a fee of about 4 TRX, which is it's like $2 or $3, I think, compared to staking on the Ethereum network. You're going to pay $60 to $80 because it's just so overloaded at the moment. So this is Pearl Finance. And I'll just give you guys a quick guide on how you can purchase this and how you can stake it to try earn some free tokens. So you're going to go to this website, pearl.finance, and it's going to come up this page. And the next thing you're going to do is open another page, and you're going to go to tronlink.org, and then you're going to download the browser extension. It's going to come up here in your browser at the top right, and this is called Tronlink. It's just a browser wallet. So keep in mind, I've only done it with a small amount here. I'm just experimenting with the different platforms and etc. So basically, whatever you want to stake, you're going to have to deposit the equal amount of TRX and Pearl. And the way we can get our TRX and our Pearl is first, we're going to download Tronlink. And up here, we've got a wallet address, which I've highlighted. You're going to send whatever amount you want to invest or stake to this wallet in Tron. So you can buy that on whatever exchange you're using. I've put a link in the description for Binance Exchange if anyone's new. So you send your Tron here, and remember, if you have 2,000 Tron, 1,000 Tron is going to be used to stake, and the other 1,000 is going to be in the Pearl token. So send your Tron to this wallet, and once you get it in here, what you're going to do is you're going to go back to pearl.finance, and this button here, it says Justswap Pearl TRX. You're going to click that, and then this is Justswap. It's basically another platform like Uniswap. So you can just trade for different tokens. It's got all the brand new DeFi ones and stuff like that. And you're going to go to trade here at the top right. And then you can select your TRX, and it's going to swap it for the same value of pearls. So let's just do it as an example here. I've got 1,021 TRX. Let's go 5. I've already done some, but I left some just to show you guys how it's going to work. So 500 TRX, I'm going to swap for 0.07 pearl. And that's all automatically done through the wallet. Just going to accept that. And then it's going to come up pending. And eventually that's going to come up and clear. And when that does clear, what you're going to do is you're going to go back here and you're going to go to add liquidity. And you're going to do the same thing basically. So we want to provide the pearl that we have as liquidity to the pool. So they're basically taking our funds and entering it into this pool, when we're doing that, they're holding the pearl as well as the TRX, and we're going to receive staking rewards from that. So once we claim our rewards and we end the staking, we'll receive the pearl back and the TRX. So I'm just going to go max here, the most we can do. Going to click supply. So there's the swap confirmed. I'll just refresh it actually, so I can do it all at once. All right, there we go. So that's all come through. Supply. Transaction submitted. And it's the same thing. It's going to take like a few minutes to come through or whatever. and you can check it by clicking here on your Tron wallets. So yeah, it's definitely gone through because I only have 21 TRX. So that transaction is in the blockchain. Now, if we go back to Pearl Farmer, we're gonna go to farm, and we're gonna click this one, Pearl/TRX. Also keep in mind, you can deposit a USDT token and you can earn the Pearl as well. So it's a pretty similar kind of thing. I won't go into that. You know, it's not that hard to work out. If you already know, if you watch this video and you know how to do this one, you should be able to work out that, no problems. So go to Pearl/TRX and you're gonna click here, stake, and then your balance, which is not actually TRX or Pearl, it's Pearl/TRX. You've provided Pearl and TRX and they've given you this token, which you're gonna put here and then confirm it. It takes like a second to refresh or whatever. Yep, and now this is our total balance and this is the balance that we're earning. So as this builds up over time, you can harvest it. I don't think I have enough to harvest yet, but you can harvest it and you can unstake, and that's going to add the tokens back in your wallet. Just keep in mind, it's all automatically going to be in your Tron Lite wallet, but just keep in mind you will need TRX to pay in fees to withdraw and to send across the different wallets. Yeah, so I hope that helps you guys out a little bit. For those who are interested in getting on this Pearl Finance, about the project itself, I don't know that much about it. I'm not going to act like I do, but I'm happy just to chuck just a little bit to at least regain my initial investment through staking and then see how it goes, you know. So there's a few new of these things coming out, and I think that they could get some attention because it is a bit of a problem on Uniswap that the fees are so high. So I think if some of these smaller platforms can get popular, it could, you know, fill a gap in the market. For right now, if you've only got $50, you can't really invest on Uniswap because you're going to pay more in fees than what you have. So if a competitor comes out that has a more fair system, where people can stake and earn money, then there's a chance, you know, that it can increase in value. So my goal here is just to earn the same tokens as what I put in, take out my initial investment, and then go from there. So at least I've kept my risk to a minimal. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to be posting a few more of these probably today or tonight. I have a few new DeFi tokens. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and to stay tuned for more. Thanks, guys.